If you're studying for the Property and Casualty state exam, this one's for you. Today's video is about 3 key limits. Liability policies come with 3 major limits that you're going to be tested on. I'm going to explain them and give you examples. We're going to talk about a per person limit, per occurrence limit, and aggregate limit. The per person limit. This is the amount that the policy will pay for each individual in a single accident or occurrence. You will see this in both auto policies and homeowners. So let's break down how this works. In auto, if the policy has $100,000 per person bodily injury liability, that's the max the insurer will pay for each insured's medical cost. So for example, if there's 3 people in the other car that are injured, the max each person will receive is up to $100,000. In homeowners, if your policy has $1 per person limit, that means each injured guest would get up to $1,000. So it's not split between the 2 people injured, it's $1,000 per person. Next, we have per occurrence limit. This is the total amount that the insurer will pay for all injuries or damages in a single event. This is different from per person in that the amount is not split up. It's just the amount that's available for each accident. And this amount gets reset every single time there's an accident. So let's say there's a per occurrence limit of $200,000. Every time there's an accident, that $200,000 will get reset. And then lastly, aggregate limit. This is the max that the insurer will pay during that policy period. This number is different from what we just talked about with occurrence limit, where we said that amount will reset. Here, the aggregate limit, you're going to subtract every time there's a loss. So for example, if the policy has $1 million aggregate limit and there's a loss today of $150,000, now that aggregate limit is $850,000, right? So each loss is subtracted from the aggregate total. I hope that helps. As always, if you're looking for additional help, go and check out our website. We have a full on-demand program where I teach you every single chapter. We have practice exam, study guide bundle, anything you need to help you pass the exam. You got this. I'm rooting for you.